First of all, can you introduce yourself and your role at HiArc?
Yes, good morning. My name's Tim Patno. I'm Vice President of Engineering and Innovation at HiArc.
Medical device development is becoming increasingly complex and regulated. From your perspective, where are teams feeling the most pressure today?
I completely agree that the complexity and the regulatory obligations of medical device companies continues to expand, but what continues to be a prime pressure for them is getting ideas to feasibility, and then those ideas, once they're proven feasible, to commercialization in the shortest possible time and the most efficiently.
HiArc has just launched its first commercial product, HiArc Control. How does this reflect the broader shifts that you're seeing in how medtech companies want to develop and commercialize devices?
HiArc Control allows a broader set of engineers to be embedded software control engineers. You don't need to be a specialist. Instead of hiring specialists to build your control system infrastructure, give HiArc a call, and a week later you'll have your infrastructure. And a broad set of electrical, mechanical, and systems engineers can use the tool to program control systems to do a variety of things related to medical devices.
Keeping continuity from concept through to commercialization is a challenge in medtech. How can HiArc Control help address this issue?
Because HiArc has developed this control system over about 20 years, and for many tens of medical devices that are in commercialization, we have a documentation package that has evolved that will become available to the licensees to use in their regulatory submissions. So all of the coding that they do in feasibility can carry all the way through to commercialization.
HiArc Control is built on technology that has already been proven in real-world regulated systems. What has been learned from this?
So when you license HiArc Control, you get over 60 components that are built up and verified and have been optimized over about 15 to 20 years. Those 65 or so components have been used to develop medical devices and in vitro diagnostic devices, and it's likely that you'll have all the components you need right out of the box to program your low-level real-time control system. And if you don't, HiArc Control is open. You can develop your own components to add to the out-of-box components that you receive with the license.
How do you see development platforms and integrated engineering ecosystems shaping the future of medical diagnostic devices?
All the new systems that are coming out, including HiArc Control, empowers a broader set of engineers to be experts at things that many years ago they couldn't be. They had to become experts at tools. Now we're allowing engineers to be experts on their products. They don't have to worry about the tools.
Who do you see as the ideal user of HiArc Control? Is it startups, established OEMs, or both?
I think it's both. For startups, of course, what you can do is not have to hire EEs and embedded software engineers or contract with them to build your infrastructure. Get your infrastructure from HiArc. Then for OEMs, we provide that out-of-box infrastructure that is open. You can add more components that you customize yourself, so allow your engineers to focus on their product and not on developing tools.
And finally, HiArc is making its MD&M West debut this year. What is one key takeaway you want attendees to have when they leave the booth?
We very much want you to use HiArc Control. We have 125 engineers, though, behind HiArc Control that are available with decades of experience in medical device development, in vitro diagnostic development. If you need more help beyond HiArc Control, we'd love to participate in your product development.
Perfect. Thank you very much for your time.